So here to talk to you about methamphetamine addiction and recovery, and why a non-12-step holistic model is not a luxury, but a requirement. And methamphetamine use, you stimulate these dopamine receptors, and it takes a long time to repair the brain. So we need to support the brain in that process, right? We need to help to repair the brain, and we also need to repair the body. Methamphetamine takes a tremendous toll on the body. It takes a tremendous toll on our heart physically and emotionally, right? So we have to deal with that as well. So, but the real reason about this process that I can say that it's a necessity is because it's really designed to help to get to the underlying reasons. What's driving your behavior? What are the potential unresolved issues, the things that, the compromises that we've made again and again, little by little, where have I lost myself in my life? And we've had many people come to the sanctuary that have amazing external lives. They're successful, they have good families still, but inside they're dead and they're lifeless. And we help them to regain their lives, and then methamphetamine use becomes less attractive and eliminated from their lives altogether.